Hello everyone, welcome to this another video on Google Sheets. In this video, we'll explore two functions which we generally don't use but can be very useful in certain scenarios. So let's look at the examples. So the first function is toCol function. So assume you have a data like this where you have name of student in section A, B and C like this, and you want to create a consolidated list of names. So one way is to copy these and paste one below the another, but it can be easily done using toCol function. So toCol, what it will do is that it will give you an output like this, and there are two different ways to do this. One is if you want to generate the output like this. First, uh, one column, then second column, then third column. Then you'll use a formula like this. So you'll select the whole range here from A2 to A7, and the second argument would be 0. So 0 is to keep all values. You don't want to miss on anything. Okay. And the third argument is scan by column. So if you keep it true, it will scan the array by column. So when you are keeping it true, it will put John, Mary, Samuel, Romario, Rahul, Gray first, and then it will start with Rakesh, Sunil, Ronaldo, and at the end you have Drake, Brian, Kelly, like this. Okay, and then the second argument you can change as per your requirement. If you want to ignore blank, make it 1. If you want to ignore blank and error, make it 3. If you want to ignore error only, make it 2. Other way, if you want to first scan by row, so John, Rakesh, Drake first, then Mary, Sunil, Brain, then you just need to change the third argument to false. So you see, we don't need to actually copy records one below the other to get the result like this, and we can easily do it using a toCol function. So next time when you use it, you can put a comment in the video section and do subscribe my channel. Now let's look at the two row function. So again, if we have same kind of data and we want to bring it in one row, then we can use this two row function. So the arguments are kind of same. The first one would be the range which you want to pick or select, and the second one argument 0 if you want to keep everything, 1 if you want to ignore blank, 2 if you want to ignore error, 3 if you want to ignore blank and error both. Now here, if you keep the third argument true, it scans the array by column, and if it is false, then it scans by row. So let's see, when it is scanning by row, you see we have selected this first, the range 0 and then false, so it scans by row. So here you can see first you have John, Rakesh and Drake, the first row, then you have Mary, Sunil and Brian, and then you have Samuel, Ronaldo, Kelly and so on. When you just change the formula a bit to keep the third argument as true, it scans by column. So John, Mary, Samuel, Romario, Rahul, Gary first. These 5, 6 values first. Then you have Rakesh, Sunil, Ronaldo, Morris, 6 values, and at the end you have Derek Brand, Kelly. So this is a very useful function when you have to do any such kind of transformation, bringing all the values in a particular array or range, either in a column or row. You can use this function toCol and TOROW to get to do the job easily in one go. I hope you find this video useful. Do subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.